Hey Bill, Brandon, Lasco Ford, used car internet director. Just giving you a quick virtual tour of the GMC Sierra that you had inquired on. It's in beautiful shape, 300,000 miles on it and still running like a top. Rhino lined all the way underneath, all the way around. Done every year, maintained to the utmost perfection. 6.6 liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, Allison transmission. Very nice looking vehicle. Body's in great shape. Interior is in great shape. Got a nice 40-20-40 bench. Extended cab. Eight-foot box. 4x4 on the fly. Got a big heavy-duty trailer hitch back here, full-size spare. Does Rhino line in the bed with the rails for a fifth wheel if need be. Very nice condition, runs very good, well maintained. Power windows, power locks, power seat. There's your 4x4 on the fly. Cruise control. Very nice vehicle. I'm here till 9 o'clock tonight, Bill. Let me know what you think. 810-593-1256. Thanks a lot.